Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to verify you're on the correct YouTube partner path and start collecting evidence immediately. First, check whether you qualify by subscribers or the Shorts Views route. Once done, enable two-step verification and connect a verified AdSense account. Then, make a content sprint plan. Draft 30 to 60 short video ideas in one niche so you can upload consistently. This concentrated start ensures you're building both watch time and a thematic signal to the algorithm right away. You should batch produce videos to maintain velocity. Aim for vertical 9, 16 shorts 5 to 30 seconds long with a hook in the first 3 seconds. Once done, optimize metadata. Concise title, 3 to 5 relevant tags, a clear thumbnail for the shorts shelf, and pin a call to action in comments. Make sure to monitor analytics weekly. Focus on retention above 45% and click-through rate near 7%. Then iterate creative elements and posting times based on those signals. When you've met the thresholds, submit your YPP application and confirm AdSense verification and tax forms are complete. You need payments-ready status. After approval, scale by repurposing top-performing clips, adding memberships, merch, or brand deals to diversify income. If your application stalls or monetization is denied, audit for copyright claims, community strikes, or mismatched AdSense details. Fix strikes, remove flagged content, and resubmit only after issues are cleared. That troubleshooting step usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.